So in this video, you'll learn how to change your profile nickname on your Nintendo Switch 2. So the first step is to navigate to your profile. And then once you're in your profile, you then want to select profile and then tap on your actual profile card. This will then allow you to choose between edit icon and edit nickname. So just select edit nickname. And then from here, you can now erase what's currently there and then type in the new nickname that you're going to be using. So you can choose to use the touch function, or you can also choose to use the Joy-Cons to navigate to each letter that you're going to be using whenever it comes to your profile nickname. Once you've successfully given your profile a nickname, you then want to just tap on OK. And once you've done that, you can see your profile nickname has been successfully changed. So that's the name people will be seeing whenever they view your profile on their Nintendo Switch 2 or their Nintendo Switch. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.